In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Vinted account. Alright, you can do this on your phone and the web version as well. Well, the first thing that you need to do here is to log into Vinted.com. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right, click on it. Once done, go ahead over to settings, click on it, and wait for the website to load. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to the left pane and click on account settings, click on it. In here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the option called delete my account. But before you do that, you might want to download your data first. Just go ahead over to privacy settings right here, click on it. And as you can see here, you will have the option to download account data. You can request a copy of your Vinted account data by just clicking on this arrow right here. Now, as you can see, there will be a prompt. Your account data includes information that you've shared on your profile, your items, messages, and more. It can take up to a month to process your request. You'll then receive a copy of your account data via email. The data will be in HTML files contained within a zip file. Vinted will contact you via the email that is tied to your Vinted account to confirm your request. Alright, just go ahead and click on request data right here. Now, once you have received the copy of your account data, then just go ahead over to the same set of settings right here under account. Then scroll down. Once done, click on delete my account, and you will be landed to this page. As you can see here, you can just go ahead and tell the reason why you wanted to leave or leave it as is. Once you're done with that, tick on this box right here, which says I confirm that all my orders are completed. Tick on this one and hit on delete account. Now, once you click on it, your account will be deleted. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.